Virgin Galactic went to our profit taking on our live streaming, and we spotted this trade right around the $5.20 when we said there is a breakout and watch out because the price will go nearly around the $6. Galactic is pumping, guys, as well. Virgin Galactic, watch out, guys, is pumping. So yeah, so as we said, it's pumping because we broke the $5.20 and the price went around the $6. And one of our hunter already hunt for this perfect trade. Was really good trade, and now the price is waiting to have a reversal. So let's dive deeper to discuss where we enter, where we should take profit. If you're late to the party and you didn't see our live streaming, make sure to watch our live streaming next time tomorrow, because we do it daily around 3 p.m. CET before the market open by 30 minutes to prepare for the market, of course, for the entry and exit. Before that, we're gonna do as usual pre-market update, chart analysis, and as well on our Discord. Let's dive deeper and discuss Virgin Galactic. Oh man, this one have a great news last week about we have the first commercial flight to the space. Oh man, so this one looking good because the price is still pumping, and we have good news. First support that we should hold for today is the $5.20, $4.94. Why we have this range? Of course, good question, because Virgin Galactic is pretty volatile. If we went there, we might have a wick. However, we need a huge buying pressure to confirm there's a whale still buying, and we're gonna have a reversal. So this is in the big picture. If we hold this box or red box, we're gonna have a reversal. The current resistance right now where the short have to cover is around the $6. We already had a test here, and before we have twice, almost last Friday, we have almost two tests. So the $6 where the hidden seller are resting and ready to short once again for Virgin Galactic. So we have to be extremely careful for this level around the $6, because once we break it, man, we're gonna have a huge squeeze. Look at this. Last time we have a huge squeeze was on Thursday last week. See what happened? Boom, huge bump, over 50%. So now the price for today, we did just 25%, half what we did in Thursday last week. So this is just preparation for a mega squeeze. So we have to prepare for entry and exit for this stock. We have a great announcement from Momo, guys. You can actually open an account on Momo and you can win Tesla, Google, and many blue chip company. And of course, this offer end in the end of this month. You see, we have Palantir, DKNG, Fuel Energy, AMC, many stocks. However, you just deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. With my exclusive link, comment section below. As we said, the $6 is the breakout zone for Virgin Galactic this week. After we break the $6, watch out for this profit taking around the $6.48. After that, we have the $7.26, the second profit taking for Virgin Galactic. Watch out, guys. If you're really greedy and want the $10 or the $12, we're gonna do update, of course, but make sure always take profit, because we might have news coming up will affect the price and the technical. We have to have entry and exit before we enter any trade. So we're gonna do update for Virgin Galactic for tomorrow, of course, on our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET, and pre-market on our Discord and Patreon, because we always do update there, even chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.